Hi guys, welcome to MaeDay. Today I'm going to show you how to make 2 ways to use Loom rubber bands. The first way is how to make a bracelet. First, pick a color you like. Then you're going to put it onto your 2 fingers, whichever hand you use. I use this hand. And then you're going to twist it and put it on like this. And then you take the next color you want, but don't twist it and just put it on. And then you take the bottom, see it's still on, and you pull that up. And then you take another one and you put it on, don't twist it, just put it on like you put the last one and pull up like you did again. And then you'll just keep on going until you're done. You can make a pattern, or you can just do whatever you want. And I'm trying to do whatever I want. I'm almost done, and when I'm done, I'll show you how to connect it. It might take a while to get this all done, but you guys got it. Okay, I think it's long enough for a bracelet. I have a connector. Yours might look a little different, but this is how mine looks. Now, you're gonna take a side of your connector, and it kind of looks like it's too close together. And I take my connector, and I put it on like this. And then I take the other side of my connector. This might be a little hard. And I pull like this, like I did the other one, and I attach it. And then I have a bracelet. See the connector? Now I'm going to show you how to make rubber band bouncy balls. You'll start by needing this type of Lego. Then you're gonna start by getting your rubber band. And you're gonna put it around the Lego. And then you're gonna keep on putting it around your Lego until you're done. It might fall off, but you guys got it. Here's my progress. And later, it's gonna look like this. I hope you guys enjoy all these 2 fun facts about rubber bands. This is coming along pretty well. Wonder what it's gonna look like at the end. This is how it looks. I think now I have the base on. Now it's gonna start to get a little bit easier. And make sure to not stop until it gets about this big, because you don't want to see any more of the little parts of the Lego you used. The more rubber bands you get, the bouncier it will get. think it's done. This is a really cool rubber band ball. hope you guys liked my video. Bye. Make sure to add a little Mae in your day.